Monégasque nationality law determines entitlement to Monégasque citizenship. Citizenship of Monaco is based primarily on the principle of jus sanguinis. In other words, citizenship is conferred primarily by birth to a Monégasque parent, irrespective of place of birth. Acquisition for Monégasque citizenship by descent. Children who at the time of birth had a Monégasque father or mother that was born Monégasque are eligible for Monégasque citizenship. In addition, children born to a mother of whom one of the ancestors in the same line was born Monégasque are eligible for Monégasque citizenship. If the child is born of out wedlock, then he/she will only qualify for Monégasque citizenship once recognized, legitimized by the marriage of his/her parents. By birth, third generation of children born in of unknown parents are eligible for Monégasque citizenship. By marriage, a foreign woman can apply for Monégasque citizenship through a right of option after 5 years of marriage on condition that the spouses live together. In the case of the husband's death, she has to provide evidence that her widowhood was not followed by remarriage. By declaration, after the age of 18, a person who was born in Monaco of a parent who was either also born Monégasque or who had ancestors of the same branch born Monégasque but who has since renounced Monégasque citizenship can make a declaration before a registrar provided that he lived in the principality and proved that he has had his legal domicile a habitual residence there during his childhood. In addition, those who were born before July 11, 1975, before the acquisition of Monégasque nationality by his father can also make a declaration without conditions concerning the place of birth or habitual residence or legal domicile. By naturalization, those seeking to become Monégasque citizens via naturalization are required to fulfill the following criteria and send the request on stamped paper addressed directly to the prince. Renounce any foreign nationality. No longer be required to perform national service abroad. Has resided in Monaco for a minimum of 10 continuous years since the age of 18 at the time of making the application. Monégasque nationality is granted automatically to children who are under 18 when their father or mother surviving her husband obtains naturalization. Loss of citizenship. A Monégasque automatically forfeits his/her citizenship if he/she acquires a foreign nationality, performs foreign military service without the prior authorization of the government of Monaco, is deemed to have harmed the internal or external security of Monaco. A Monégasque citizen may voluntarily renounce his citizenship. Former Monégasque citizens may restore the former citizenship if the request on stamp paper directly to the prince is successful. Dual nationality. Dual nationality is strictly forbidden under Monégasque law. Visa requirements for Monégasque citizens. In 2016, Monaco citizens had visa-free or visa on arrival access to 160 countries and territories, ranking the Monégasque passport 16th. Any Monégasque citizen may live in France without visa.